We often hear people say that it's true pleasure to wake up in the morning with the chirping of birds rather than an alarm clock or the noise of traffic. The beautiful birds form an important part of our ecosystem. We fail to hear, see, or sense the need of these beauties due to our busy life. We need to conserve them so that we are able to sustain ourselves. Our survival is, in a way, dependent upon these agents of nature. By knowing them better, we can have a mutual existence even in urban areas. Let us take a look at the various roles they play. Birds act as seed dispersal agents. The ones that are commonly seen around us in this category are the barbets, the golden orioles, the parakeets, the bulbuls, and others. They act as pollinators, like the beautiful sunbirds. Natural pest control by eating insects is done by birds like the bee eaters, the bulbuls, robins, wagtails, and such others. Raptor birds are important in control of reptiles like snakes and lizards. There are birds like the eagles, owls, kites that play this role. Some are voracious feeders of fish and amphibians, thereby keeping a control on their populace. A very important role of waste management is undertaken by scavengers like crows. Plus, the dead animals in the wild are eaten up by the vultures. Water birds have an important role of feeding on pests in water. Birds that come in this category are the ducks, the gulls, the pelicans, and other shallow water birds like the flamingos, stilts, painted storks, and such other. Birds are intelligent beings providing help to us directly and indirectly. Their behavior helps us tap signals mainly of climate change and upcoming natural disasters. They are open and helpful and support our existence. But what are we providing them in return? Dirty water bodies? Garbage and waste? Habitat destruction, including reducing green covers and planting wrong trees that they cannot survive upon. This can easily be rectified with our simple efforts.